My father, my first hero. Maya was a little girl who loved ballet. Ever since she was 5 years old, she dreamed of wearing the beautiful satin shoes she saw on the posters at her dance school. But ballet shoes were expensive, and Maya's father, a simple mechanic, could barely make ends meet. He never said no to her dreams. Instead, he said, "One day, my little star, you'll dance with the brightest shoes under the brightest lights." Maya continued to dance in old second-hand shoes while her classmates wore new ones. Some even laughed at her worn-out pair, but she didn't care. Every time she looked at her father's tired hands and oil-stained clothes, she danced harder, for him. One night, Maya woke up to find her father sewing her old shoes carefully by lamplight, his hands trembling, but his eyes full of love. He was fixing them so she could dance at the big recital coming up. Tears welled up in her eyes. She wanted to say something, but she stayed silent, watching the man who gave her everything he had without ever asking for anything in return. The night of the recital arrived. Before the performance, Maya found a small package backstage. Inside was a brand new pair of shining pink ballet shoes, the exact ones she had dreamed about for years. Tucked into the package was a note. "For my little star, dance like the world is yours, because in my world you are everything. Papa." Maya looked into the crowd. There he was, standing at the very back because he couldn't afford a seat. But he was there, smiling wider than anyone else. That night, Maya didn't just dance, she flew. Every twirl, every leap carried the love of a father who had given up his comfort, his sleep, and even his pride, just so his daughter could shine. Moral: true love isn't about grand gestures. It's about small sacrifices, silent prayers, and a heart that beats only for your happiness. Vocabulary words from the story. Sacrifice: giving up something valuable for the sake of someone else. Example: the father made a silent sacrifice, working extra hours just to buy his daughter ballet shoes. Recital: a performance, especially by a dancer or musician, to showcase skills. Example: Maya practiced every day to prepare for her first ballet recital. Pride: a feeling of deep satisfaction from someone's achievements. Example: he stood in the back row, filled with pride as he watched his daughter dance. Determination: a strong will to keep trying despite difficulties. Example: even with worn-out shoes, Maya danced with fierce determination. Glow: a soft, steady light or a look of warmth and happiness. Example: there was a gentle glow on Maya's face as she spotted her father in the crowd. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.